Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is how to get PR with a small following. I definitely get a lot of PR for being a very small influencer. I don't have a lot of subscribers or even views on YouTube. I don't have a lot of followers on Instagram. But luckily I've been blessed to get a lot of PR even with the small following that I have. The two platforms that I'm going to talk to you guys about, you don't even need to have a YouTube channel to be able to get PR from them. So the two platforms I'm going to talk about are Influenster and BZZAGENT. If you guys have not heard of BZZAGENT, I know probably most of you have heard of Influenster. BZZAGENT is another platform just like Influencer, except it's kind of a little bit easier. And lately, as of I would say a year to two, they have just gone like even better than ever before. Like now I get a lot of PR from them, and I've also always gotten a lot of PR from Influencer as well. The only thing is that as of lately from Influencer, I have gotten more electronic PR, which I don't know how to explain that to you, but I've gotten more virtual Vox boxes from them lately than I've gotten physical Vox boxes. But I did get one recently, so I'm going to share that with you as well. So I'm going to have both of these platforms linked so you guys can sign up. I think for Influencer, it is an affiliate link. For BZZAGENT, I'm not exactly sure. But BZZAGENT is amazing, guys, and Influencer I love. Obviously, the more platforms you have, the more influence and impact you're gonna have, so they're gonna take you into consideration more. If you do have a channel, if you do have Instagram and Twitter and this and that, but it definitely is not a deciding factor for you to get PR. You definitely don't need to have a YouTube channel to get this PR from them. And as long as you have some type of social media, they will be fine with it. And as long as you're posting your reviews and everything that you did, you are gonna do great with them. With BZZAGENT, I can literally tell you that with BZZAGENT, I get emails at least more than 5 times a week about different campaigns that they're having, and then all I have to do is like fill in that I'm interested. I confirm my address. It literally takes like 2 seconds to fill in what they want you to fill in, to confirm that you want to participate or whatever it is. And if you're willing to participate in everything, it's so easy. Wow. It's pretty much just completing your profile and then just waiting for the emails. That's pretty much what it is. And then once they decide, okay, you're in this campaign, they're going to send you the product, give you like a couple weeks to try it, and then they're going to email you and remind you that you need to put your review in. But you can get all of these products for free, guys, literally complimentary for review. When I tell you the type of products that I get, you're gonna be in shock. From Influencer, I've gotten all types of things. I have all these videos, I'm gonna link them in the cards here, of Influencer boxes that I've gotten. I've gotten Kat Von D. I've gotten all different types of influencer stuff from them. I've gotten Kerastase. I've gotten all different kinds of things. And then with BZZAGENT, I even got a scooter for my kids, an electric scooter, guys, from Razer. So it's like, I'm telling you guys, it's a no-brainer. So just click the link in the description box, do your profile, and just wait for your emails, fill everything out. Just make sure that you fill out your reviews when you're supposed to fill them out, so they know that you're complying with everything that you're saying. So with that being said, this is kind of like pretty simple. And then what you do have to keep up with on Influencer, for example, is you just have to keep up with your snaps. Your snaps are like little questionnaires that they're going to send you about certain things, like certain categories, and then you just fill that out and you just maintain that up to date. And the more questions, Influencer, you have to be a lot more active than BZZAGENT. With BZZAGENT, you just have your profile up to date and that's it, and you do your reviews. With Influencer, it's not that you have to be active, but the more active you are on their site, the better it is for them to send you boxes. So You're gonna answer questions. You're gonna do reviews on products, like on anything, guys. It could be household products. It could be a review on a car. It could be a review on a makeup. It could be a review on a shoe. It could be a review, any type of thing that you look for on there. Just review, get your badges. They start giving you little badges. The your impact score starts going up. If you've wanted to start a YouTube channel, I guess this is the time to do it. And just, that's it, guys. It's amazing. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that I've gotten from there. This is not everything that I've gotten, because I've gotten Influenster over the years, and I've also gotten BZZAGENT over the years. BZZAGENT has just gotten way better. I definitely have always gotten great products from them, but they have gotten just better and better and better by the second. So I'm not going to do a review on any of these products. I'm just going to kind of show you what I've gotten from them, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, guys, I have gotten a lot of virtual Vox boxes lately from Influenster, which means that they'll just have me complete either something virtual online, or I have to like print something and buy something at the store. I mean, obviously I participate if I want to, but obviously it's better for me if I participate in all the Vox boxes they sent me. So I did get one from Urban Decay recently, which was amazing. It came in this box. This is from Influenster, and this was the Urban Decay Inked Brow. Okay, that's what that looks like. It says it's waterproof and sweat resistant, insanely long lasting, no fading, smudging, transfer, or flaking, includes tiny but precise built-in applicator. So this is what it looks like. Again, if you try to get this on their website, you're obviously going to have to pay for it, and it's going to be a lot of money. So I got this for review, complimentary, and I got it in the color dark brown, which is perfect for me. And let me show you what their applicator looks like. It's like a moussey consistency, and it's to tint your brows, from Urban Decay, which is an amazing brand. So I got this from Influencer recently. From BZZAGENT, I've gotten several things because, like I told you, lately they've been like amazing. So I got literally a full like skincare set thing from Murad, which is like super expensive brand. I got the Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. I got the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum and the Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. So I got all three of these from BZZAGENT for review. Just recently I got from Wander Beauty, another great brand, the Mist Connection Essence and Toner. This is like a full size. Look at this. This is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful packaging. It looks like a milky consistency. Look at that. Amazing. So you shake to combine the toner and the essence. You gently mist over bare skin, skincare, or makeup to moisturize and balance. So I could literally spray this in my face right now if I wanted to, which, oh, it's a light mist. Smells very earthy, very green. Nice. I also got from Lancome, I got the LEVY Belle perfume in 1.7 fluid ounces, guys. This is like incredible. Look at how beautiful this bottle is. So chic, so pretty. Oh my God. And even this, like, it's kind of iridescent. Let me spray this. Ooh, the smells that I like. Smells really, really good. So I got that perfume from BZZAGENT as well, and Lancome, obviously. And then I also got from Soap and Glory. This was, I was so happy about this. I also got, this is a cream, and it's called a cream come true. This is a full size 10.1 fluid ounces. It's a luminous body butter scented with magnific cocoa, coconutty, and clean. Oh my God, this smells so good. Oh my God, I can't get over it. I can't get over it. A full huge tub of cream from Soap and Glory, which is super expensive. Another thing I got from them is this InStyler Turbo Max hair dryer, guys. Like, hello. Are you guys still thinking about it? Really? Are you still thinking about it? So I got that. And last but not least, the last thing that I have to show you is the scooter that my kids got. Like, it was obviously for my kids because I'm not going to ride that scooter. It's an electric scooter from Razer. I'm going to insert the picture right here. And I got that complimentary for review, guys. Guys, so we're about to unbox something that we got complimentary for review from BZZAGENT and from Razer.
I need to tell you something, guys. This is free. We didn't pay we paid $0 for this.
Yes, we did. And they sent it to me for review. So thank you so much to BZZAGENT and to Razer for this. There were like 3 different choices that they could send you, and I believe that they sent me a scooter. I'm not exactly which one. It says electric there on the box. It says like electric techno, but I don't remember exactly which one that is. So my boys are gonna open it now. All right, go ahead. I hope we don't have to like build it. I hope it's just folded.
Just in case, hit that like button if you like this video.
Yes.
And also make that subscribe button gray, please.
We are going to open it.
I know, it's super duper cool.
All right, so.
Okay, I'll hold the box, you take the case out. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah!
Wow, look at that, guys. Oh my God. Dale, take it out, quickly. Of course. Come over here. So set it right there so they can see it.
Too bad it's not.
This is the Razer Electric Techno Light Up Electric Scooter.
I know.
Guys, if you guys are not part of BZZAGENT, you guys are totally missing out. Like literally, because like BZZAGENT is amazing. They send me things to review all the time, and things like of this caliber. So
we have to
they're amazing.
Today.
This is for ages 8 and up. The runtime is 30 minutes.
Do you tie it like this?
All right, so that's what it looks like. We have to charge it, guys. It comes with its charger. I have the charger right here, so we have to put it to charge. And there's the little instruction manual to charge it at least for 4 hours before you use it. And then here they have this little sign that says to engage the motor, you kick off, you move at least 3 miles per hour, and then it just goes. If you can see, it has those cute little lights that turn on their own. The wheel also has lights. So like, okay. Yeah, you see it turned on. Amazing. Like, it can't get any better than this. So if you guys are not signed up to BZZAGENT or Influenster, I'm gonna leave the links down below. You guys need to sign up. Don't think about it. Like, don't think about it. It's so worth it. All right, my love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you want any other information or you're confused about something, just let me know. Leave a comment down below or something, and I'll answer whatever question you have. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.